5,000 feet, Airbus 320.
Here we are getting ready to land in San Francisco. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, so it's dusk, which is beautiful coming over the bay. We are landing on runway 19 left, so you can see 2 runways off in the distance, and the left one obviously is what we're heading for. According to our instruments, we are lined up exactly with the beacon on the runway that's shooting out a signal for the instrument landing system. So right now it's on autopilot, but I'm going to take it off in a second as we get a little bit closer. In a sec, I'll show you around the cockpit here. This is what all the instruments look like, which is true to life for the Airbus A320, the one that's currently in use. Obviously, there's nobody sitting in those chairs, so we are needing to go down a little bit faster and then level off and then pitch the airplane up slightly to lower our vertical speed, reduce it into a perfect landing. There we go. Hope you enjoy our flight. Please fly Disraeli Airlines in the future.